Hello guys, again welcome to my channel Mad Aces. Hello guys, again welcome to my channel Mad Aces. I have brought you an amazing trick which is known as the jumping card trick. So the spectator can choose whichever card they may like. It's a completely free choice. I am going through the deck, and suppose the spectator choose this card which I don't know what it is, but I will ask the spectator to sign their card. Suppose the spectator smile a smiley on their card like this on the ace of spade. I will take the ace of spade, which is the spectator card, and lose it in the middle of the deck like this, and then I will take the first card which I suppose is my card, which is 5 of hearts. So I will take the 5 of hearts and draw something the spectator may like. Suppose the spectator says Superman, so I will draw a Superman here. This is the guy, and this way, no, it's a stickman actually. I will draw a stickman here. So that's the stickman with just a cape. See, like this, it have this cape. Superman is actually a Superman with a cape like this. So this cape I will draw on my card, which is 5 of spade, and if I just take my card, see, this is my card which is 5 of diamond. If I just take my card like this and just do this, the signature from my card jumps right to the next card. Now I'll put this card in the middle of the deck, and now the next card which is actually 10 of diamonds, and the next card which is 10 of diamonds, I will again take the which is card 10 of diamonds and just do this. The signature again jumps to the next card. So this time I will see it's not coming off actually the signature, but I will just do this, and actually the signature completely vanishes from the deck. See, card. So what I'm gonna do, it's not actually vanish, it's actually in my hand. I had taken it in my hand like this. The signature is in my hand. I will give it to the spectator and ask the spectator throw between wherever they may like. The spectator throw the signatures in the middle of the deck. Now the signature should be somewhere in the middle of the deck, so it's right here. So now the signature has actually gone and find out your card, which was ace of spade. So that's the trick. Let's jump to the tutorial. So how to perform this trick? First, what you wanna do is ask the spectator to choose whichever card they may like. Suppose the spectator choose this card, and then control the card to the top of the deck with whichever method you may land. In performance, I just switch the card like this. It's in very simple way. If you are talking with the spectator, they don't get a thing. If you do like this fast, they won't understand it. See, this way, just do this. See, with your card you are just pushing this card with your thumb and switching it with this, and then I put this in the middle of the deck. So now their card is on the top of the deck, but they don't know that. Then I will perform a double lift. See, double lift, and tell them that this is my card and I am going to draw something here, but it's actually their card, but they don't know that. So I will perform this move where I will steal the card, second card like this with my thumb. See, this way, just bend the deck, turn the deck like this and steal the card this way. But if you do it in fast, it would look like this, and just do this with your thumb, show and one time, and just tell them that your card has actually jumped here. You can do this as many times as you want. Again perform the double lift, show that this is your card, and then again do the move and then this the card has jumped. Then after this what you wanna do is perform a normal color change which actually look like this. And how it's done, you have to just push this card forward, and with your this you have to push this card backward. See this, so it comes backward, and with your thumb again this, and this goes like this. So in fast it would look like this, with this forward, with this move it backward like this, keeping it as this way up, and then this goes bottom, and this again comes, this card again comes up. So I will show you the shoulder view of this. So these are the cards. Suppose these are the cards, just do this front, then with this steal this card and again push it forward like this. So that's how the color change works. So after you do this color change which look like this, take their card and give it in their hand and tell them to throw somewhere in the middle, then cut the card. When you cut, their card actually is in the middle of the deck, then show them that the stick man has jumped and find out your card. See this way, and that's the trick. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.